Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have IMIKI Frame 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called the system, and once you find it, select it of course, and here we have the reset option. And if you want to reset your watch, simply tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And let's wait until the resetting process is complete, which will take at least a few seconds. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, the reset is complete. As you can see, the watch automatically reconnected with my phone because I didn't disconnect it. So if you don't want this to happen, you basically need to go to the app on the phone that is paired with your watch and basically unpair your watch. After you reset it, you need to tap on unbinding and then confirm to remove it, because otherwise it will reconnect automatically. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.